I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and today I've got a good project for you if you have any scrap wood, and especially if you have any scrap exotic wood that's maybe not enough to build a full-size project. You can make one of these really fancy, elegant boxes. I made this one to hold thumbtack. Let's check it out. I have this piece of black limba, and I think I want to try to cut it roughly in half. We'll see how well I go. And that will be the sides of my little box. Where's my grip? Alright, so I made my first cut, and that was actually a little bit wide because I need all of this wood because this is all the black limba I have. So I'm gonna shave this little rough edge off, and then I'll cut this down so they'll both be the same. So what I want to do now is use my miter sled and just get a miter cut on one end of my boards, and then I'll cut my yellow heart to the total length of the box, and then I can figure out the rest of the sides from there. So I cut my yellow heart piece in half, just trying to make the most use of it. So this is all the yellow heart I have, so that'll be the top and the bottom of the box. I don't want to cut this end at a 45-degree angle. I want to cut it straight across. So I need to figure out where to cut it, and then before I make that cut, I'll use this Forstner bit and make a hole in there, about there. So now I've just got some carpet tape to hold these together, and I'll drill this hole through there. Just now occurred to me that I should have left these taped together to cut them in half, but either way I got a stop block set up so I cut the sides. I'm ready to glue my box together, and I wanted to make a rabbet for this to sit in because that'll make it a lot easier to glue together, but couldn't get my blade down low enough. It'll be fine like this. Now I'm gluing end grain here with the miters, but the glue on the yellow heart, it'll really help support everything and keep it together. Now my box is dry. I've got some of this cherry left over, and I'm going to use that to make the smaller inner box. Glued up the little inner box the same way we glued together the other box, just with some rubber bands. And one thing I've noted too is end grain to end grain miters are not very strong on their own, but since the bottom piece has glue all the way around it, that'll really help give it extra strength and hold it together. And it's so little, it's never going to be subjected to much stress, so it'll be fine. There's my box, and I've actually lived with this box for a while, and wood expansion and contraction got to me, and it was actually stuck inside of here, and I ended up having to take it out and sand it. But I'm glad I did this design with the cutaways for pulling the box out, because I made another box where I had the front glued on there. This one is for toothpicks, but making little boxes like these are really cool. This is Makor and Wengi where here we got the yellow heart and the black limba. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I have new videos every Friday. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.